皆さん、こんにちは。This is JLPT N5 multiple choice questions practice video. I hope it helps your next JLPT exam. If you like these videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. That will help our channel so much. Alright, let's get started. 問題1。河川に何を入れますか？一番良いものを一つ選んでください。この建物の出口はまだようです。No.1 大きい。No.2 遠い。No.3 寒い。No.4 きれいな。Which one do you think will fit the best? Alright, let's look at the answer. The answer is No.2 この建物の出口はまだ遠いようです。The exit of this building seems to be far yet. Alright, so この建物 that means this building の出口 So 出口 that means exit まだ means yet and 遠い that means far ようです that means it seems like Alright, so No.1 大きい大きい that means big No.2 遠い that means far No.3 寒い that means cold No.4 きれいな that means beautiful So No.2 is the answer. Let's look at the next question. 私は野菜がのでサラダは食べません。No.1 おいしい。No.2 嫌いな。No.3 まずい。No.4 甘い。Which one do you think is the answer? The answer is No.2 私は野菜が嫌いなのでサラダは食べません。I don't eat salad because I don't like vegetables. Right, so 私は I 野菜 that means vegetables 嫌い that means I don't like ので because I don't like vegetables サラダは食べません I don't eat salad. Right, so No.1 おいしい that means delicious. No.2 嫌いな means don't like. No.3 まずい that means doesn't taste good. No.4 甘い that means sweet. Right, so judging from the latter part of the sentence, oh, I don't eat salad, you'd think, No.2 or 3 would be the answer. But No.3, まずい doesn't fit in the sentence because you can't say 私は野菜がまずい. It doesn't make sense. 私は野菜が嫌い makes sense. If you wanted to say, vegetables doesn't taste good, then you should say 野菜はまずいので. Right, let's look at the next question. ここはたくさん人がいてです。ここはたくさん人がいてです。No.1 涼しい。No.2 暗い。No.3 うるさい。No.4 悪い。Alright, the answer is No.3 ここはたくさん人がいてうるさいです。It's loud because there are a lot of people here. ここは here たくさん人がいて That means there are a lot of people. Here うるさいです。It's loud. No.1 涼しい cool. No.2 暗い dark. No.3 うるさい loud. No.4 悪い means bad. So No.3 うるさい loud fits the best because there are a lot of people. Alright, next question. このカメラは壊れたのでカメラが欲しいです。このカメラは壊れたのでカメラが欲しいです。 Number 1、明るい。Number 2、元気な。Number 3、太い。Number 4、新しい。The answer is Number 4。このカメラは壊れたので、新しいカメラが欲しいです。This camera is broken, so I want a new camera. このカメラ that means this camera. 壊れた that means broken. 新しい that means new. 新しいカメラ so it's a new camera. 欲しいです。I want it. Right, so the sentence means this camera is broken, so I want a new camera. That makes the most sense. Yep. Number 1. 明るい that means bright, sunny. Number 2. 元気な healthy, well. Number 3. 太い that means thick. Number 4. 新しい that means new. Right, so the new camera makes the most sense because it's broken, so I want a new one. Let's look at the next question. 今のコンピューターは小さくてです。今のコンピューターは小さくてです。Number 1、便利。Number 2、遅い。Number 3、汚い。Number 4、上手。Which one do you think is the answer? Alright, the answer is Number 1. 今のコンピューターは小さくて便利です。Modern computers are small and convenient. Right, so 今のコンピューター that means modern computers 小さくて they are small and 便利です。便利 means convenient. Number 1. Number 2. 遅い that means slow. Number 3. 汚い that means dirty. Number 4. 上手 means be good at. Right, so it's the saying they're small. So what comes to the next? Convenient would fit the best in this sentence. Modern computers, they're not slow compared to the older computers. And then definitely not dirty. And just be good at doesn't fit in the sentence at all. So the answer is 便利. Number 1. Let's look at the next question. 今日は雨なので傘がます。今日は雨なので傘がます。Number 1. 入り Number 2. あい Number 3. 入り Number 4. 泳ぎ Right, which one do you think is the answer? Alright, let's look at the answer. The answer is Number 3. 今日は雨なので傘がいります。Since it rains today, umbrella is needed. Right, so いります that means I need it or something is needed. Since it rains today, umbrella is needed. Right, so 入り the verb 入る that means to enter. 会い the verb 会う that means to meet. 入り the verb is いる to be needed. 泳ぎ 泳ぐ is the verb that means to swim. Alright, so since it rains today, I need umbrella. So 傘がいります. That fits the best. Let's look at the next question. 足がのでここで休んでいます。足がのでここで休んでいます。Number 1. 飛んだ Number 2. 疲れた Number 3. 履いた Number 4. 働いた Alright, the answer is number 2. 足が疲れたので、ここで休んでいます。I'm taking a break here because my legs are tired. Right, so 足 that means legs. Legs was something. And I'm resting here. はい、ここで休んでいます。I'm resting here. So, legs definitely don't fly. 飛んだ。飛ぶ is the verb that means to fly. Number 2, 疲れた。疲れる is the verb and that means to be tired. Number 3, 履いた。履く is the verb that means to put on footwear or lower body clothing. Number 4, 働いた。働く is the verb and that means to walk. Right, so we don't say 足が働いた. You know, my legs walked. We just don't really say that way, like talk that way. So 足が疲れた. That means my legs are tired and that fits the best in this sentence. Alright, let's look at the next question. Alright, this is the last question. 腕が痛いので、このカバンをくれませんか？腕が痛いので、このカバンをくれませんか？ Number 1、かぶって。Number 2、見せて。Number 3、持って。Number 4、待って。Alright, let's look at the answer. The answer is number 3. 腕が痛いので、このカバンを持ってくれませんか？腕が痛いので、このカバンを持ってくれませんか？ Since my arm hurts, would you hold this bag? Alright, so 腕が痛い. That means arm hurts. このカバン this bag くれませんか That means would you do something? Right. Number 1, かぶって The verb is かぶる. That means to put on something on your head. Number 2, 見せて The verb 見せる. That means to show something. Number 3, 持って The verb 持つ. That means to hold something. Number 4, 待って The verb 待つ. That means to wait. Right, so since my arm hurts, would you hold my back? That makes the most sense in this sentence. このカバンを持ってくれませんか? Would you hold this bag? Let's review the vocabulary in these questions. 出口 exit 入り口 entrance 遠い far 近い close, nearby きれい beautiful おいしい delicious 嫌い don't like まずい not good 甘い sweet 涼しい cool in temperature 暗い dark 明るい bright, not dark うるさい loud 悪い bad, not good 元気な healthy, energetic 太い thick 細い thin 新しい new 古い old 便利 convenient 遅い slow 汚い dirty 上手 be good at 入る to enter 会う to meet いる to be needed 泳ぐ to swim 疲れる to be tired 飛ぶ to fly 働く to walk 履く to put on footwear or lower body clothing かぶる to put on something on your head 見せる to show 持つ to hold something 待つ to wait. That's all for today. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe and like this video. Alright, thank you so much for watching until the end and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。